Paul's vlog, and we're now eating vanilla OMG's clusters. If you want to do this vanilla OMG's clusters, this is the ingredients. Sugar, partially hydrogenated palm kernel and cottonseed oils, non-fat dry milk, almonds, cornmeal, whole grain, wet, molasses, sunflower, and or canola oil, milk, fructose, cornstarch, butter, brown sugar syrup, soy lecithin, glycerol, lactoesters of fatty acids, honey, salt, baking soda, calcium carbonate, natural and artificial vanilla flavor, dextrose, trisodium phosphate, high fructose corn syrup. And if you want to taste this
Go to America.
vanilla OMG's clusters, then go to the America and buy the ingredients that I said to all of you. And guys, we're now on the house of Paul.
Vlogs.
And I'm her Ate Hannah and her cousin Andrea Del Mundo. He's so ugly, diba? So, goodbye. This is the end of this.
Goodbye.
Video.
Bye. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.